Well, I think I've come up with an idea for the storyline of this new clay. The story developed in my brain as I was laying in bed this morning, and at 3 o'clock, and then again when I woke up this morning about 8. I'm holding this camera by hand. I wanted to show you what I came up with last night. I got up and did a quick sketch of it. I'm going to try to show it to you without having the camera move around too much. There's a young girl on a wagon train. She's wandered away from the wagon train, picking flowers, wildflowers and that, and she finds a big boulder that she can sit on. And she just sits there enjoying listening to the birds and nature, when suddenly she hears foreign language being talked and people moving through the brush. And she quickly gets underneath the rock right here, and she leaves her sunbonnet and flowers that she'd been picking on the rock. And these 3 Indians come up and find the sign of somebody having been there, but nobody in sight. They're looking around, but they can hear people chopping wood not too far away in the wagon train, and they know that there's only 3 of them and probably about 50 of them, and so they decide they better get out of there. But they're looking around trying to see who left these items on the rock, and she's underneath the rock, and I'm thinking of titling it Sunbonnet and Flowers and a Breath Held Tightly, or something like that. Anyway, I just ordered some taxidermy foam off of Amazon this morning. It'll be here on Saturday, and that's how I'm going to make the rocks and stuff like that. But that's not going to be until probably next week sometime. So I just got to figure out how to take what I see in my brain and transfer it into clay. And I have one warrior looking down at, kneeling down, looking at the items. This guy is standing up, looking around, trying to see if he can see who left them. This guy is standing off of the rock, looking in this direction. So I think it might make an interesting sculpture. I know I just got done creating a bronze called The Hunted, and but I just had this idea for another one with almost a similar type of theme, but not quite the same. All right, everybody, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you what I'm thinking, and let's see what happens when I actually get started on this. I just got to figure out now the size of the people and how to do this so that it can be cast in bronze. All right. Good night, everybody. See you next week.